Hi everyone, my name is Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great and staying safe at home. Happy New Year to you all. And I hope this year is the best year of our life. So today, as you have read by the title, I'm gonna go from here to here in 5 minutes. It might take me longer in this video because I'm gonna be talking also and showing also. So it might take me longer, but usually takes me only 5 minutes. And if you also do whatever I'm doing, it will take you 5 minutes and not more than that, I guarantee. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, we'll start off with getting my hair out of the way because I have a lot of baby hair. As you can see, I've clearly made a bun with a comb, but I still have a lot of baby hair and I can't help it. That's just how my hair type is. So I'm gonna get my hair out of the way like that. Okay, so the products that I'm using in this video are gonna be more or less the same which I used in my earlier videos. So I'm not gonna tell you explicitly in this video. I might add them in the description box below with the name and the shade and everything so that you can go and refer that if you want to. Although I'm gonna be using a foundation in this video. Yes, I do not use foundation most often. I use BB cream or CC cream, more or ज़्यादातर BB cream, but in today's video I'm going to be using this Fit Me का foundation in the shade 220 natural beige. And yeah, so I've taken some on back of my hand. Okay, so I'm using this brush and this is little dirty, but I'm too tired to clean it, so I'm going to use this brush. Also, I'm not using any concealer. I've never used a concealer in this entire existence of mine on this earth. Although I do need it, I do have dark circles. As you can see, I do have uneven skin tone, but I have never used concealer because I'm okay with my flaws showing. And also, I do not like makeup looks which drastically change you as a person. I like makeup which enhances the way you look, not changes the way you look, if that makes any sense. And everyone should come in good terms with their flaws because that's gonna be with you forever, and the more you hate it, the more insecure you become about them. So it's better to love yourself the way you are, and that's what I do. I let my dark circles show, my uneven skin tone show, and I do not care about it. And yeah, so today's pep talk is over. I'm gonna quickly apply this foundation and it's gonna see you later. Also, never forget to apply the foundation or anything that you're using on your neck and your ears because that's how it is. I've seen a lot of people missing their ears and their neck, which looks so bizarre. So you do not do that. Okay, so the foundation is done. Now I'm gonna move on to the compact. इसके लिए भी I do not use जो ये दिया रहता है, I do not use that. I use the brush for that, and I'm using दूसरा brush जो कि फिर से गंदा है, but I'm gonna do nothing about it. I'm only gonna set my under eyes because I have a very dry skin and I do not want flaky skin, so I'm only gonna the setting is also done, the base is all complete, and now we're gonna move on to the eyes. And because it's a very 5-minute chota sa makeup look, so I'm not gonna do like drastic things क्योंकि उसमें obviously time लगेगा, and every day पे it does not look nice if you're having tons of different eyeshadow. I mean, if you want that, you can go for it. I personally do not like it, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm going for a very plain and neutral look which does not take so much of your time and makes you look presentable as well. This very pretty pastel pinkish shade because it matches with the kurti that I'm wearing. So I'm gonna use this with a brush. ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना है, बस थोड़ा सा इसमें dip करके थोड़ा सा अपने eyes पे लगाना है so that it looks very beautiful, but it does not look that you have put in effort. It looks beautiful effortlessly. I don't know if it shows on the camera or not, but it does look very pretty in real life. So the eyeshadow is done. Now I'm not gonna apply any liner because it does not fit in 5 minutes. I'm gonna use a kajal. I'm using kajal only on the lower waterline and I'm gonna apply it only halfway. That is something that I do always, every day, every time I wear makeup, because it looks very natural compared to when you apply like full kajal on the entire eye. I don't know how to put that in, but you get it, right? I'm gonna come close and show you how to apply Adha. So see. Did you see? Can you see both the eyes? This one's look little more beautiful, obviously. With the kajal itself, I'm gonna slightly fill in my brows. I don't know if you can see the difference or not, but see, filled, not filled. Can you see the difference? Never do this while taking your mascara out because उससे air अंदर चला जाता है and आपका mascara जल्दी सूख जाएगा. So never do that. Also, I love mascara जिसका wand ऐसा है, a little curved. It gives more curled effect to your lashes. So yeah. So can you see the difference in इस आँख का lash and इस आँख का lash? इसका यहाँ से color निकल गया. I don't know how. So do not mind that. Okay, so the eyes are done. Now I'm going to move on to blush. I absolutely love blush, although the irony is I used to not wear blush and I had this preconceived notion in my mind that if I wear blush, it will not look good on me. But my friend, my seat partner, Farzana, Farzu, if you're watching this, hi, I miss you and I hope we meet super soon. So yeah, she told me that, oh, do not worry, it will look good on you. And ever since I wore blush for the first time, I'm living for it. I absolutely love wearing blush. It gives very fresh and supple look to your face, which absolutely enlightens the way you look. Also, use your lipstick, the one that you're wearing that day, as your blush because it looks very synced in if the color matches, if that makes any sense. So because I'm using this lipstick, I'm going to use it as a blush as well. Okay, so the blush is also done, and now I'm gonna apply very slightest amount of highlighter. You can absolutely skip it. This step is totally optional. If you want, you can skip it as well. Also, you might be thinking कि ये 5 मिनट में कैसे हो जाता है? But today, because I'm speaking and explaining and doing this, so it might take a little longer. The footage is of 15 minutes, but whatever. When I'm doing it and not talking it does not take me more than 5 minutes. So I'm not going directly with the highlighter, I'm taking it in my ring finger and then going within because it gives very slight effect. I don't know what I'm talking. Also, if you're wearing something जिसमें your collarbones are showing, then you can apply highlighter over there also. It looks beautiful, but because इसमें मेरा दिख नहीं रहा है, so I'm not gonna do that, not gonna waste my products. Alright you guys, so we are done. I'm gonna quickly do my hair and be back. Alright you all, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already. I post videos on every Monday and Friday just in case you are new here. And stay tuned for Friday's video, and do not forget to click on the bell notification to get notified on Friday and on Monday and then on Friday and so on and so forth. My Instagram is linked in the description box below for you guys, and I'm gonna see you on Friday. Bye. Shade and everything. God, used it. Sorry, I thought someone was calling me. Very natural, as compared, because it looks very natural compared to what. I'm gonna come close and show you how.